What's going on, y'all? Commander here once again. Got our penny stock happy hour. Hope you guys had a good Easter. I had a decent Easter. I didn't do anything with family, but I had to work, and yeah, that was about it. But not too bad. Wasn't that bad. So anyway, that was a really, really long weekend to wait, for our stocks to start moving again. Well, today we look at OWCP. What happened? Let's pull up the info here. Yeah, there we go. It had gone up over $1 again from 89 cents. It opened at 89 cents. It went up over $1, and then it kind of came back down to it was like the low 90s or whatever it was. And it kind of did back and forth shit all day. And it closed up over 5 cents higher at 94 cents. So yeah, it's up. But I think the reason why I didn't really take off today is because they were late on releasing that 10K. I don't know if they were late, but everybody expected it, this morning. So it actually did come through, guys. I haven't even taken a look at it yet. I'm going to look at it for the first time with you guys at 10K and see if we can see what's up. It's the annual report here, annual earnings report. Let's see what it has to say, huh? This is for OWCP, guys. There's a lot of information in here we gotta read through. Look for the valuable information we're all looking for here. Okay, so it says during the past 2 years ended December 31st, 2016 and 2015, they spent $141,000 and $271,000 on research and development, respectively. All right. Alright, I'll go ahead and read this. Pursuant to the collaboration agreements, we are expected to pay Sheba $170,000 for conducting the multiple myeloma trial between the third quarter of 2015 and the second quarter of 2016. In addition, we commence preclinical studies on the treatment of psoriasis. During the second quarter of 2016, pursuant to the collaboration agreements, we are obligated to pay Sheba $85,000 throughout 2017 for conducting the safety study for the cream. We currently have financial resources to fund our current obligations under these agreements, but anticipate that we will require additional funding during the next 12 months for continuing and planned expanded operations. As of December 31st, 2016, we have paid Sheba $64,000 according to Sheba's payment request. Alright, so they still owe Sheba a lot of money, is what it looks like to me. Alright. Whoever Sheba is. I don't even know who Sheba is. Sounds like a old cartoon from like the 80s. Not like He-Man and Sheba. I don't fucking know. I don't even remember. Anyway, let's see what else do we got here. I'm only really interested in the financial shit here. That's why I'm kind of skimming through it. Oh yeah, I gotta pull up the chat, so like if you guys are actually trying to talk to me, I'll be able to respond. How about that, huh? Yeah, sorry, I spaced on that. So I'm pulling that up right now. Alright, there we go. We're good. Alright, according to the 2014 edition of the Marijuana Business Facebook, what's Facebook have to do with it? U.S. Retail sales of medical cannabis are expected to rise significantly over the next 5 years from an estimated $2.2 billion in 2014 to $8.2 billion in 2018. Damn, that's quite an increase. We believe that cannabis-based formulations have the potential to effectively treat multiple myeloma, psoriasis, I'm not going to say psychosis again, PTSD, and fibromyalgia. Alrighty. What do we got here? Alright, on October 11th, 2015, OWCP entered into memorandum of understanding with Medmar LLC, organized under the laws of the state of Maryland with operations in Hawaii and Pennsylvania. Medmar for the purpose of granting an exclusive non-transferable royalty-bearing license to manufacture, produce, publicize, promote, and market the licensed products described therein in the state of Hawaii and the state of Pennsylvania, pursuant to which Medmar has paid us. Medmar paid OWCP $100,000. That's a lot of money. On February 8th, 2016. OWCP and Medmar, an affiliate of Medmar 2. Medmar 2 is an affiliate of Medmar. What the heck? Executed a right of first refusal agreement granting Medmar certain rights in connection with commercialization of cannabis-based medical products in other states in the USA, pursuant to which Medmar has paid $50,000. So it looks like Medmar has paid $150,000 in 2016. So that's a chunk of change right there. Alright, here's some more financial stuff. September 28th, 2016, we entered into a non-recourse loan against agreement with Medmar, pursuant to which Medmar has agreed to loan OWCP a total of $300,000 in installments of $50,000 each on non-interest bearing basis with no conversion rights. That was pretty good. The loan, which was made on a non-recourse basis, may be prepaid at any time, is due 36 months from the date of the loan. So 36 months, that's basically, 3 years from September 2016. So this is due September 2019. Total $300,000. Alright. Our obligation to repay shall be only by the set off of royalties payable by Medmar to OWCP, and only to the extent Medmar is required to pay any royalties to OWCP under the March 17, 2016 agreement referenced above. To the extent the royalties payable to OWCP under the license agreement shall be insufficient to repay the loan for any reason whatsoever, Medmar agreed to waive any repayment rights or any claim for any such deficiency. $250,000 of the loan proceeds were funded before the year ended December 31st, 2016. And the last trenchy of $50,000 was funded in February 2017 by Medmar. So they've got their $300,000 from Medmar, is what they're saying. All right. Let's see here. What do we got here? Oh, this is like patent stuff. Okay. Our success depends in significant part on our ability to protect the proprietary nature. I don't know why I had so much trouble saying that. I'm tired today, damn it. Okay. Proprietary nature of our product, prospects, technology, and know-how to operate without infringing on proprietary rights of others, and to defend challenges and oppositions from others and prevent others from infringing on our they're gonna make me say that a lot, aren't they? Proprietary rights, including our provisional patents described below. We have not acquired any intellectual property from Dr. Barach or Mr. Sinai. Rather, they have brought to the company their wealth of know-how in matters related to medical cannabis, based upon their many years of experience in the medical field, as well as Dr. Barach's service leading the medical cannabis unit of the Israeli Ministry of Health. We plan to continue to seek patent protection in the United States and other countries for our proprietary technologies. To date, our intellectual property portfolio includes 8 provisional patents filed with the USPTO, all related to our line of activity: pharmaceutical formulations, drug delivery, therapeutic uses of cannabinoids, and other cannabis compounds, as well as know-how and trade secrets. The table below depicts the company's provisional patent applications. Okay, so 11/26/2014, they got application for use of cannabis to treat myeloma. Okay. Then 12/1, December 1st, 2014, use of cannabis to treat PTSD. December 7th, 2014, use of cannabis to treat migraine. To treat a migraine? Crazy. I usually just pop like Advil or something, but alright. Never heard of that. Novel condom compressing cannabis derived compositions to decrease of erectile dysfunction symptoms. Interesting. That was December 17th, 2014. And then December 21st, 2014, the use of cannabis to treat psoriasis. That's how you say that. That P is silent, man. That'll get you every time, damn it. Okay. And then March 19th, 2015, preparation of cannabis emulations and methods thereof. In May 13th, 2015, use of cannabis to treat fibromyalgia, methods and compositions thereof. In June 11th, 2015, synergistic, whatever, use of cannabis for testing multiple myeloma. Alright. We anticipate that we will file an additional patent applications in conjunction with our research, testing, and development of our cannabis-based product prospects. Our policy is to seek patent protection for the technology, inventions, and improvements that we consider important to the development of our business, but only in those cases where we believe that the cost of obtaining a patent protection is justified by the commercial potential of the technology, and typically only in those jurisdictions that we believe present significant commercial opportunities. Alright. I'm not going to read everything, man. This thing is... There's a lot to this shit. Holy crap. This whole show's going to be about OWCP today. Crazy. I kind of want to talk about USRM too, so... I'll tell you what, guys. I'm going to post a link in the description so you guys can read the whole 10K on the new 10K that came out today for OWCP. But I am kind of still going over this here with you guys, but I'm not gonna read everything. There's just too much stuff. I'll be here all night reading this shit. Like, who had the time to type all this shit is what I want to know. Damn. Yeah, it said that they've not generated significant revenue during the years ended December 31st, 2016 and 2015. So basically, they're saying, they incurred a net loss of over $2 million due to principally to general and administrative expenses of $2 million and research and development expenses of $141,000, adjusted for convertible loans of $180,000, exchange differences of principal, long-term loan of $16,000, other finance income of $8,000 compared to a net loss of $1,654,000 due to general and administrative expenses of $1,380,000, research and development expenses of $271,000, and financing expenses of $3,565, which is for 2015, I guess. That's a lot of expenses, that's for sure. So more expenses there. They had current assets of $481,000, consisting of $472,000 in cash and other current assets of $9,413. We had property and equipment net of accumulated depreciation of $21,000, carried at $15,000. We had a total assets of $496,000. This is like 2015, I guess. Assets of $357,000 in cash of 2015, and then 2016 they have $472,000 in cash, and so they've got more cash, like about 120,000 more or whatever. So, yeah, not even that. I mean, if you want to be precise, 115,000 more, it looks like. I don't know about all the expenses, man. That's a lot of expenses. They got more cash, like the revenue went up, it looks like, but damn. Gotta put this phone on the charge here. I want this shit today. There, it's working. Alright. Alright, this is what we need to look at here. So, that's their cash of 2016. That's what they had, $472,000. That's their total operating expenses of 2016. $2,148,000. So I had a net loss of $2,287,000. 2017, April 17th, which is like today. It is today. Wow. The company received $1,752,000 in proceeds from the sale of 4,537,000 shares of common stock and warrants. So that's a chunk of change. I would believe that puts him, gives them enough money to pay their debt. So I would say that's a pretty damn good thing there. Alright, wow, that was like the first time I fucking been through an entire 10K, man. That shit is nuts. Alright, so, yeah. It's not terrible, is it? This guy right here, let's see here. Big loss. So very bad. Our independent registered public accounting firm has expressed substantial doubt as to our ability to continue as a going concern. Okay. This guy says, in my opinion, this 10K wasn't terrible, but wasn't great either. I am long, but I didn't see any earth-shattering things here. Also, I thought I read that they did not expect to generate any revenue in 2017. I'm mistaken or misread it. What's page 4 of the 10K? Is that on today's? Last I saw it was 60%. Huh. This is gapping up to $1.20 tomorrow morning. Okay. What's this say up here? What did I just see? Where the fuck is it? Oh. This guy says big money from Monaco will be coming in after the conference today. In my opinion. Okay. Agree. Holiday over. Now it's 420 run up. And Monster Conference. Big money rolling in. Congrats to the longs. We are golden. Alright. So I got a lot of people here saying that this is going to take off tomorrow. There's going to be big money coming in. And then there's a few people that are like thinking this is bad. I saw, they sold that stock, and so they got enough money to pay like pretty much all their debt. So yeah. I think just the debt for 2016 though, yeah? Yeah. Okay, this gets this uptrend correct. In my opinion, this upcoming Monaco conference is going to be an extremely important event in OWCP history. Financiers, philanthropists, another word that's just fucking hard to pronounce, investors, financial institutions, and corporations will be in attendance. If OWCP can communicate effectively our in vitro results on multiple myeloma, along with our results with psoriasis cream, my guess is there will be some who will want to invest heavily into the company. I'm talking tens of millions. The results showing 100% kill ratio and 80% of samples studied is beyond outrageous. It's as close to a cure as you will ever get. This is, of course, only in a test tube or petri dish, but very promising nonetheless. This conference is going to be huge for us, in my opinion. The icing on the cake. Dr. Burach is keynote speaker. Alright. So, when's this damn conference? It's today? Let's see here. Monaco OWCP conference. Oh, here we go. We got something here. Invited to present at Monaco Growth Forum Spring Edition on April 25th to 26th. Alright, so that's like not tomorrow Tuesday, but next week Tuesday, the 25th. So yeah, you never know what could happen next week. It could be fucking huge, man. Get some fucking big money investors in there. That could be a good thing. As for my opinion to what I think's gonna happen tomorrow, I don't know. Honestly, I think it should go up. I don't know how much. That's my opinion. I don't know how much it'll go up, but I think it'll go up. We shall see. Hope it goes up anyway. Alright, well, let's look at US stem cell today. It's US stem cell. USRM. What the hell happened there? Let's try that again. Alright, there we go. It went down over a penny today. It's no big deal. I mean, it's what it does. It goes up, and then goes down, goes up, and goes down. So, we don't really have any, like, big news right now, so it's not going to be making any big movements while we don't have big news, in my opinion. You never know, it could surprise us, but I mean, I really think we need some big news. Ain't no denial coming. On what basis? No basis, so you just say it's coming. Okay. Alrighty then. Ain't no denial coming. He been saying that for weeks. Honestly, I like 95% believe that we're getting the FDA. You know, we'll get the RMAT designation, and MyoCell will get its FDA approval. So, I don't know what date. I'm not going to be one of those, like, saying, oh, it's going to happen this day. Because I just don't know, you know. You don't know. Nobody knows when the world's going to come to an end. I don't think it ever will. I think it'll be here longer than we are. We're just like, you know, the dinosaurs. We'll be gone and fucking it'll be something else. You never know. Fucking, I don't know. Alright, so USRM, I think it's definitely going up from where it's at now. I'd be shocked if it went any lower. So right now it's a very good price to buy. I'll give you that. It was a damn good price to buy. Let's see. Let's take a look at the chart. We'll look at the OWC chart too. We'll go back here in a second. Because I didn't do that. I had to do all that fucking reading. Oh, shit. I'm honestly really fucking tired. Okay, so this is what USRM's done for last few weeks here. And back here was what, the 28th here was up to almost 18 cents, the 28th of March. Now here it is the 17th of April, and we're down to 9 cents. So pretty much half of what that is. We're down half is from where we were on the 28th. As you can see, the way this chart looks, it stair-step down, and then to me that looks like a nice stair up. Like it's starting to stir up. You see what I'm saying right there? Right there, between the 13th. Let's see here. Let's zoom in here. Yeah. Right here, I can see it's stair-stepping up. You can see the trend going down, down. And then it goes up. Look at that's pretty much like the bottom of this current step. You see what I'm saying? You can see the pattern. It's got a fucking perfect pattern. You can see what's going on here. Now it's going to go back up, in my opinion. I see it going up to at least over 11 cents tomorrow. And then it'll step down. I mean, it'll come down. And it'll probably be somewhere between 9.5 and 10 cents when it's at its new bottom. Tomorrow's bottom will be 9.5, 10 cents, and then a high of over 11 cents. I would say 11 to 12 cents. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. It's kind of the pattern, man. So it'll gradually climb up again. But you never know. I mean, could just do this shooting up shit over here like it did. But I don't see that without any major news. So, yeah. I think it's going to keep doing this stir step up, stir step up, stir step down, stir step down. Yeah. That's kind of what it looks like it's doing. So, it'll be interesting. But yeah, I can't predict the close tomorrow, but I would think that it would be somewhere around 10 cents or higher at least. And it'll reach as high as 12 cents. That's my prediction for tomorrow. And that is with no news. Alright. Well, I think that's about it. We covered my two favorite stocks here. If you guys have anything you want me to look up before we wrap this up, let me know, man. Put it in the chat. Speak now or forever hold your peace. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, man. But I wasn't gonna let you guys down. Oh, I usually try to start the stream around 5, but I ended up getting caught up with some stuff. I had to make a bunch of calls and deal with some important stuff. I had to cook dinner, you know how that is. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm about to pretty much crash, guys. I'm tired as hell, and I mean, with my job, I start real early in the morning. I mean, I start at 4:30 in the morning every day, so that's kind of why, like, about this time, dude, I'm just, like, ready to drop. So, yeah, so, I mean, I think we got a good day tomorrow. I predict both stocks will go up. I didn't look at OWCP today, so let's look at the chart real quick. Just to take a quick peek. Let's full screen that shit. Alright. So it pretty much slowly walked its way down to here. And shot back up here. Trying to look for a pattern. It's really hard to see a pattern here. So I don't know, man. But I'm thinking that it'll go up tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know how much. So I could be wrong, but I hope not. I think we're going up. I think both stocks, USRM and OWCP, are going up tomorrow. So, yeah. Anyways, guys. Oh, what's up, man? How you doing? You want me to look up RCP and wait. But your name is RCP? Wait a minute, I'm confused now. Is there an RCP? Or you're just saying hello? And your name is RCP? Nah, there's no RCP, right? Anyway, man, I'm closing this shit off. I'm fucking tired, but thanks for tuning in. And I mean, you know, if you just tuned in, you can still like rewind back and like watch the beginning. It's gonna be uploaded to YouTube as a video for you guys to view anytime. I mean, I got my other episodes too you can watch, and yeah, we pretty much talk about stocks all the damn time. So, anyways, I appreciate it, and you guys have a good night. See y'all later. Peace out.